In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill with Google, and finally Passwords. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, click on this gear at the top right corner and tap on the switcher next to Offer to save passwords if it's off. Then log into one of your apps and hit Save in Google Autofill pop-up. After that, your password will appear over here, and you will finally be able to add any other one from those settings. In order to do that, click on this plus next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations. You can input any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you are ready, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!